Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this brown eyeshadow look for you. I made a cut crease and used a lot of brown colors, also bronzer and brown lipstick. And I used some lashes on the outer corner of my eyes. So yeah, if you like this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, I went ahead and did my foundation already, my concealer, my contour on my nose, and my eyebrows. And now going on with the eyes. And first we're going to take a dark brown color and put that on our crease. And I'm going to use a blending brush for this. Okay, now I'm going to put concealer on my lid and create a cut crease. Okay, now I'm going to take a base color, and the base color is from the Norvina palette, and the color is Base, this one. And I'm going to use this brush, and in some places try to tap in the color instead of dragging, because then you will get much more color intensity. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an eyeliner, but it is a brown colored eyeliner. And what you want to do is connect it to this point. So I'm going to start here. And then dragging it down. And I'm constantly keeping my eyes open because I have hooded eyes. So if I close my eyes and do it, then when I open my eyes, it's going to look totally different. So we're not going to do that. We're just keeping our eyes open. And then at the end, you can close your eyes just to connect the lines. Filling it in. Okay, and then what you want to do is take this white eyeshadow away with your concealer brush. Now take this brush, a smaller blending brush, and then we're going to take the same base color and place that under our eyebrows. Then take your bigger blending brush, which you use the dark brown for, and just blend those two colors. Okay, now taking a thin brush and then putting your brown color underneath your eye, but it's going to be a darker brown than you use on your crease. And for that, I'm going to use from this palette, I'm going to use Hugo. That's this color. And for the crease, I used a 1988, so a lighter dark brown color. And with Hugo, you're going to tightline under your eyes, just to give it a more smoky look. And connect it to your brown eyeliner. And then take your concealer brush and fix underneath. Okay, now I'm going to take a black liner. I'm going to put that on my waterline. Okay, now I'm going to put some mascara on, and I'll be right back. And after, we're going to put on our lashes. And you can take a bobby pin to separate the hairs. Okay, now I'm going to put on my lashes, and I have these half lashes, which I cut in half, and we're going to place that on the outer corner. Okay, while our lashes are drying, we can put on our bronzer, and I'm using this brush for that. Okay, take your blending brush to blend it out. Okay, now take your lashes. Okay, now for the lips, and I want to use a brown color. And first I'm going to line my lips with a brown color. And then I'm going to take my brown lip pencil, and I'm going to fill in my lips. Then take your concealer brush and fix if needed. Okay, so I'm not going to put any gloss on top because I just want this look to be matte. I'm still going to put on some powder. And I'm using the Mercier translucent powder. Okay, I'm not going to let it stay on for too long, so I'm just going to remove it again. And I'm going to take this brush for that. Okay guys, we are finished. This is the final look. And yeah, so today we did brown colors. We used brown eyeshadow and brown lipstick, bronzer. So yeah, if you like this video, then comment down below, like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel. And I'll be posting every Monday, so yeah, we'll see you guys in my next video.